Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be tying a gele. It's four layers of ashoke. So it's a very simple head wrap, a very simple one. You just put it on like this. Look at the back. You cross it. Cross it like this. Because you're gonna twist. You're gonna twist it. You keep twisting. And if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go subscribe so that you will be seeing all the amazing video that I'm gonna be posting here. Support your girl. With this one, I'm just gonna tuck it in here. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying not to use too much pin on the head wrap. So this one, we're gonna work with this one at the front here. I'm just trying not to use too much pin. Still gonna tuck that one in there. So this one, I'm just gonna do something like a bow here. I think I'm gonna use pin on this part here. I'm gonna use this little pin to hold this down here. So I told you it's just a simple head wrap. Simple the hair looks. It's very simple, very simple. See how simple, look at it, how cute this head look, guys. You just put it here, I have one pin already there, so you just use it to hold it. So this one and that one, which one do you prefer? I think this one kind of look good, kind of look beautiful than the other one. I don't know, tell me on the comment section which one you prefer. Is it this one or the other one that has a little boat there? The both of them are cute though. Guys, don't forget, support your girl. Click on subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload, you will get all the amazing videos that I'm going to be posting here. Thank you guys. I really appreciate you all. I have a lot of things to show you guys. Keep supporting me and God bless you all. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you.